are your stalking skills?
Hello to you, too.
Rumor has it Frank and his guys just pulled a big heist last night, meaning he hasn't had a chance to launder the money yet. That means somewhere out there a big, beautiful stack of money is sitting in a storage locker. Now that's an image.
Focus, Vera.
One of those guys who was in on the heist, Barry something, is one of my lady's regulars. He's got an appointment with her later today. I'm thinking she might be able to finesse the storage locker and entrance code out of him.
And where does the stalking come in?
I'm not gonna put one of my ladies in a dangerous position. She'll wear a wire, and when you hear she's got the information, you give it to me and make sure she gets out safely. Then you can take out Barry.
A hooker? Wearing a wire? I'm not sure how that's gonna work.
Please, kid. The first thing a hooker learns is how to say no. Now get out of here.
This'll do. Hello, Barry.
Don't you look nice tonight? Just shut up and get your ass in here. So, baby, what do you want tonight? The usual. Anything you want, sweet thing. You know what would get me wetter than a women's synchronized swimming team? Fucking on a big pile of money. Oh, yeah? Come on, let's just grab a motel room and you can make me your... Nah. I got a real big pile of money for you, baby. But it's, kind of out of the way, and I got some errands to run. I was thinking maybe a quickie. You can't tease me like that. What if I met you there later today? I'd be waiting, naked. The only thing between us, $100 bills.
All right, okay. But you can't tell anyone what I'm about to tell you.
Your secret is my secret.
Go to locker 240 at Store and More, across town. The entrance code is 6887.
Fucking idiot.
Now let me take care of some things, and I'll meet you there in, say, an hour?
How about in advance?
Here you go, baby.
Store and More, locker 240, code 6887. You have an hour.
I'll send E right now. How's Lucy?
Safe and sound.